Hello friends and welcome back to the Tech Legend channel. So friends, today I will talk about ZOTAC Gaming in ZOTAC GeForce RTX 5060 Ti and 50 series graphics card. So friends, the ZOTAC Gaming GeForce RTX 5060 series is a 50 series of graphics card lineup, including the RTX 5060 Ti 16GB and 8GB variant and the RTX 5060 and each featuring ultra-fast GDDR7 memory, powering, cooling, and elegant design and widely compatible compact footprint. The powered by NVIDIA Blackwell GeForce RTX 50 series bring game-changing capabilities to gamers and creators and equipped with massive level of AI horsepower. And the RTX 50 series enable new experience and next level graphics fidelity, multiple performance with NVIDIA DLSS for generate images and unpredicted speed and endless creativity with NVIDIA Studio. So friends, the GeForce RTX 5060 series including the AMP model is refined aesthetic and strong factory OC with the ZOTAC Gaming AMP is made to extreme maximum performance for gamers and creators and who demand stronger performance over anything else and equipped with two BladeLink fans, an IceStorm 2.0 cooling solution and two-slot compact footprint and subtle design, and the twin edge is a OC variant. Share the powerful cooling solution with ZOTAC Gaming RTX 50 series AMP as well as its petite two-slot form factor for the perfect fit any most gamers and petite and two-slot form factor for the perfect fit in the most gamers PC and powerful gaming graphics card for SFF PC builds, and the Solo series is a true SFF PC enthusiast. The single fan ZOTAC Gaming RTX 5060 Solo remains the top choice for maximum compactness and the ability to sit comfortably in 99% of PC cases on the market. And despite being the smallest GPU of the ZOTAC Gaming 50 series lineup, is a compact Solo offered the same great performance and the compact design of the ZOTAC Gaming GeForce RTX 50 series make it compelling choice for gamers looking for a drop-in upgrade as the card in even the most contrasted PC case without problems. So friends, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.